Good morning. Let's start our interview. First, Sai Priya.
Yes,
Okay, introduce yourself.
yes. I'm Saipria from Agriculture Department.
Okay, where do you find yourself uh, in 5 years?
In 5 years, I'd like to be an industry expert in my field with the ability to train and mentor students and entry-level designers. I would also like to gain specialized knowledge in user experience to be well-rounded contributor working with the designs and marketing teams on large-scale projects that make me difference in the company and the global community.
Okay, thank you. Next, what do you consider your biggest strength? Why?
As my biggest strength is I'm a natural problem solver. I find it rewarding dig deep and uncover solutions to challenges. I like solving a puzzle. Sometimes I'll always excel and sometimes I enjoy. Much of a product development is about finding innovative solutions to challenging issues, which is what drew me to this career path in the first time.
Okay, thank you.
Reshmi,
Yes,
can you introduce yourself?
yes, my name is S. Rashmi. I am from the Department of Agriculture.
Okay, let me ask you some questions.
Okay.
Why did you choose this stream of engineering?
I chose to be an engineer because I thought it could be a lot of fun. Engineering is the field that solves most impactful of our problems in the world, like creating clean energy or detecting cancer. As an engineer, we are constantly choosing the world, changing the world with innovations and solves solutions that affects everyone's life.
Okay, thank you. Next, what is your biggest negative?
Lack of confidence is my biggest negative. It's a common weakness, especially among the entry-level contributors. Experience is a lack of confidence can sometimes cause inefficiency in your work. For examples, I might feel unqualified to speak at any important meeting when your idea could help the team to achieve a goal. So I think that I have a lack of confidence in lots of area.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Radhakrishnan. What do you consider your biggest strength and why?
Honestly, um, creativity and the
Okay.
determination.
Highlight your achievements.
Mm, identify a problem and solve it. Quantity your best result whenever possible.
Okay.
Okay, Ritik, tell me about yourself.
I am Ritik from EC department. I am result oriented, constantly checking in with the goal to determine how close or how far away we are and what it will take to make it happen. I find this pleasure inspiring and a great motivator for the rest of the team. In fact, over the past year, I was able to help my team shorten average product time too.
Okay, what is your area of interest?
My area of interest is in coding, and I hope I will do it better. Thank you.
Sai Prasad,
Yes,
tell me about yourself.
myself Sai Prasad from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. My father is Shankar, who is farmer, and my mother is Kavita, who is housewife. I am studying my BTech in Savita Engineering College with 80%, and my inter graduation in Sri Chaitanya Engineering Inter College with 91%. And my hobbies are listening music, reading books, and playing cricket.
What do you know about your this industry?
IT industry is a broad, sweeping term that covers many information technology-oriented organizations. If you think about it, no organization can survive without it. Service organizations, this organization provide IT service to the customers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Prakash Raj, tell me about yourself.
My name is Prakash Raj. I'm coming from Cheyar and I'm studying for the Savita Engineering College.
Why do you think you are suited best to this role?
I can to taken for work and delivery to experiments or the results. I will to beautiful to greatest skill to experiment.
Okay, thank you, Prakash Raj.